Hi, I'm Billi Maddox, and welcome to another Bookbinding Basics. A little short one this time. Look, commissions are fun, when somebody asks you, hey, can you make me a set of notebooks? And you have to kind of start thinking about, well, what are these people into? What are they gonna like? What are they gonna need? Should I ask them? Should I surprise them? So it's cool when it can happen, and I'm making this pack for someone. I'm calling it the Popsicle pack. They had a bit of I don't know what this was. I think this was some sort of advertising. The little popsicle cover was some sort of advertising or packaging or something like that that I was then able to use as a cover for a slightly smaller notebook. Unfortunately, sometimes the found objects dictate how the notebook needs to be made, but the other ones are made to sort of a standard 3.5 by whatever it is. I forget what it is. 5.25 by 3.5. That's it. The standard pocket notebook size. So anyway, so this pink pack is for my mom. She needed a new personal memo book. I don't like making just one of these. I like making the little packs with the belly band and everything. So I made these in pink, which is her signature color. She needed lined paper, so I went with that and used the thing that she wanted me to use or try to use. So that's pretty much it. I might make more of these. I'm thinking about it, like available for Whoa, hang on. Hold on 1 second. Hi everyone, it's me. Look, I'm editing the video and listening to the voiceover, and I am being very coy about making these notebooks. Yes, okay. Except that right here, I'm essentially showing you the factory floor. And let me just point out a few things here. Stacks and stacks of different kinds of paper, all ranging from lined paper, white, yellow, to grid paper, to even dotted paper for like bullet journal, like bullet paper. I mean, the whole nine here. Swing on over to the right. This is a giant stack of about, I don't know, I want to say maybe about 40 or 50 different covers all ready to go. So I'm being very coy. Let me just keep it real, because if you eagle-eyed, you're gonna be like, I think you're planning a little more than just maybe doing some. So look, it's not official yet, but I am making a bunch. I just didn't want to be all like coy and fake. Okay, let's get back into the video, even if there's probably only like 20 seconds left. Sorry for interrupting. Okay, get back to it. They'll all be hand stitched. They'll be using found objects most of the time. So, some of them are only going to be one of ones. So, anyway, I was thinking about it, but I'm not sure yet. Anyway, stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Roll the thing!